In this video, you will learn how to create a read-only property in a class using the property decorator. The code first defines a class called circle. The init method of the class is the constructor, and it takes one argument, which is the radius of the circle. This decorator is used to create properties. This line defines a read-only property called radius. It doesn't take any arguments, and simply returns the value of the _radius attribute. This line creates a new instance of the circle class, with a radius of 5. This line prints the value of the radius property of obj1. The output of the code is 5. This line attempts to assign the value 10 to the radius property. The line will result in an error because the radius property is defined as a read-only property. It cannot be modified directly. This line imports the math module. This method is also a read-only property that calculates and returns the area of the circle. It gets the radius from the _radius attribute and uses math.py for the calculation. This line prints the value of the area property of the obj1 object. It will calculate and output the area of the circle with a radius of 5, which is approximately 78.54. Thanks for watching.